All right, so this exercise is alternating straight leg rolling. I'm going to show you from both the side as well as the front here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten my arms out to the side. I'm going to straighten my legs out. I'm going to make sure that, again, my back is flush against the ground. There's not a bunch of arching going on. If I do find that that's the case, I'm going to bend my knees, okay? So legs are straight. And what I'm going to start out with here is I'm going to lift this leg just high enough to where I can feel maybe a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start to roll over this leg. I'm going to get as much roll out of my left leg as possible before I follow with my arms. So I go like that. I'm going to end up on my right hand side. So again, and then I roll back. So again, it's going to look like this. I lift my leg, start to roll over, find that stretch in my hip, get maximal stretch on really my entire left side. And then I roll to the side and I come back. And so an alternating roll would just be going from side to side here. Okay, now from the side, again, I'm going to straighten my arms out, head is suspended. I'm going to roll towards my right hand, or towards the left on this side. And again, I'm just coming over as far as I can with his leg, trying to straighten it out as much as I can before I follow with the rest of my body here. All right, and again, then I alternate. So I'm just going from side to side there, alternating rolling.